Gustong-gusto ko talaga magturo. Kaso nga lang, hindi kasi matutupad yung pangarap ko dun. The most memorable phone call I got was when my sister called me that it was my mother. There was a night, we saw on television, nag-suicide si mama. So, parang wala, nag-blanco lahat. I was high school back then. Ang takot ko, paano na ako makapag-aral? How mabubuhay? I need to support on my own, so medyo mahirap. I need to be, strong enough to make a move out of what I wanted. Nagbago talaga lahat. At first, very takot ka talaga. Pero, you bring out the best in you. You just have to find it within yourself. As the years goes by, parang mas natutunan ko na talaga siyang alagaan yung sarili ko, alagaan yung career ko, pahalagahan yung mga taong nakasalamuha ko. So parang it's a holistic development. Not just work, but in life. ILM Premier changed a lot of things in my life. I was able to buy a house. Things na hindi nabibigay ng parents ko. Able to provide and help other people also. My cousins, may mga pamangkin, my lola. So I was able to provide. In a decade of selling, for me, it's not just about money, commission. It's also helping people behind it. Actually, I was surprised. Grabe yung buhos ng blessing sa akin ngayong pandemic. I was selling 5, 6 before. Now, I'm selling double, triple. Kung kaya mong i-manage yung self mo, maraming possible na mangyayari. I want to be remembered. There's someone who rise above all occasions. Who's someone who thrive amidst pandemic. I want to be a source of inspiration to other people that it is possible. It is possible. I came from nothing and now I'm here. Kung kaya ko, kaya niyo. My name is Chris Luna. This year has challenged me to be better, faster, and stronger.